Today I'm gonna get a cut in because look like I seen right there by the edge. I got a whole bunch of thatch right by the edge. I just raked it up. Now, I don't know why I have that much thatch. Only right by the edge. There's many reasons. And I hope you can hear me because I have this mower going pretty loud. But the one thing that I can think of is possibly due to the heat from the concrete. We had some moist days before the thatch sets in. The first thing that I want to do is get down some fungus control. What I like to do is I set my mower up on this curb so it doesn't sink in a lot. So, as you can see, those edges look pretty shocking. So much thatch right here. I have no idea why I have so much thatch on the edges. Right now, how y'all doing? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put down some fungicide because right here on the edge, I think with this heat and all of the moisture, you can see. I don't know. All of the thatch buildup, I raked it. But it's gotta be because of that concrete right there. See that? That gets super hot. So you add that with a little bit of any type of nitrogen. And that's what you end up getting.